In depth right now, the South Carolina Attorney General's office says hate crime ordinances are, quote, off limits for cities and counties. And this all comes as more than 20 communities in the state have already enacted their own local rule, and that's in the absence of a statewide law.
Now, the latest, the city of Spartanburg. The council adopted the ordinance just last night. A senior investigator report, Grace Runkle, is looking into how this letter could affect communities.
South Carolina is just one of 2 states that does not have a state hate crime law. However, more than 20 cities and counties have already enacted local ordinances putting an added penalty on any crime that is motivated by gender, race, religion, or sexual orientation. The city of Spartanburg is the latest. That was the applause Monday night after council unanimously passed the hate crime ordinance. It carries with it a sentence up to 30 days in jail and a fine up to $500. But just hours before, a letter from the state attorney general's office was made public, saying it is the AG's opinion that ordinances like Spartanburg's are, quote, off limits because local governments cannot criminalize something that is legal on the state level. It also says a local ordinance could be struck down by the courts. So I reached out to the attorney for the city of Spartanburg. He says he read the AG's opinion and came to the opposite conclusion, that a court would uphold the local ordinance because there's no statewide law that conflicts with it. Governor Henry McMaster, a former attorney general himself, was asked about the AG's opinion on these hate crime ordinances. He says the issue itself needs more debate, but he also says the state already has plenty of laws on the books. They just need to be enforced.
We have so many laws now that cover A to Z with penalties that can be very severe. The judges and the magistrates, I believe, are the answer. If they use those laws that we already have and implement them fully and carefully, then that would be the way to keep a lid on things. That is the ultimate answer in law enforcement.
The city of Spartanburg, again, the latest municipality to pass one of these ordinances. But last week, the city of Orangeburg did the same. And in August, the county of Orangeburg passed a similar ordinance as well. So we'll be watching in case any cases develop, and we'll track them very closely. In the newsroom, Grace Runkle, Fox Carolina News.